Stop wasting time on Instagram marketing that doesn't reach the right people, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to laser target the US audience and boost your engagement. First things first, you need an Instagram business account connected to a Facebook business page. If you haven't already, switch your personal profile to a business profile in your Instagram settings. This is crucial for accessing advanced targeting features. Tap the three lines in the top right corner of your profile, then tap Settings. Next, tap Account, and then scroll down to switch to Professional Account. Follow the prompts to connect to a Facebook business page or create one if you don't have one. Now, let's dive into the Facebook Ads Manager. This is where the real magic happens. Go to business.facebook.com and log into your Business Manager account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. Click the green Create button to start a new campaign. You'll be asked to choose your campaign objective. For targeting the US audience, consider objectives like engagement, website traffic, or brand awareness. For this example, let's choose engagement. Select engagement and then click Continue. Now, name your campaign something descriptive like US audience engagement. Scroll down and under Special Ad categories, make sure nothing is selected, unless your ad falls into one of those specific categories like housing or employment. Click Next. This is where we define our US audience. In the ad set name field, give this ad set a descriptive name like US audience to 545. Scroll down to the audience section. Under location, type in United States. Make sure you select United States country and not a smaller region. Now, below the location targeting, define the age range. A good starting point is usually between 25 and 45. You can adjust this based on your specific target demographic. You can also select the gender of your target audience. If your product or service appeals to a specific gender, select that here. Otherwise, leave it as all. Now for the really powerful stuff, detailed targeting. Click Edit next to detailed targeting. Here, you can target people based on their interests, behaviors, and demographics. For example, if you're selling fitness products, you could target people interested in yoga, running, or healthy eating. As you add interests, pay attention to the audience definition gauge on the right side of the screen. This gives you an estimate of the potential reach of your ad. You want to find a balance between a broad enough audience and a highly targeted one. Next, scroll down to Placements. Select Manual Placements, and then uncheck everything except Instagram Feed and Instagram Explore. This ensures your ad is only shown on Instagram, where your target audience is most likely to see it. Finally, set your budget and schedule. Start with a daily budget that you're comfortable with, and let the campaign run for a few days to see how it performs. You can always adjust your budget and schedule later. Once everything looks good, click Next. On the final page, create your ad, choose a visually appealing image or video, and write compelling ad copy that speaks directly to your US audience. Make sure your ad includes a clear call to action, like shop now or learn more. Preview your ad to make sure it looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. Once you're satisfied, click Publish. Instagram will review your ad, and if it meets their guidelines, it will start running to your targeted US audience. Good luck.